In this video, I'll be explaining what is the work done by me on the project. So, the first is the story. Mainly worked on the backend part. Sean and I worked on the backend part. The first is the story, created the login part for the admin. The second is the story. We did movie management for the admin, the backend part. Then for user story 5, we worked on displaying the movies. And for the final, that is the individual user story, I worked on the booking part of the customer. That is, the customer can book movies. To show you the code, uh, this is the booking code that I wrote for customer to book movies. Let me show you the demo. This is the home page for the admin. These are all the tables in the database for customer to book a movie. Show the admin has to add a show, so then only then the customer can book the tickets. Let me let me show you the demo by so when the customer is login, can select on any of the movies and book the tickets. Since there are no shows for this movie, for this the customer cannot book the movie. Let me select another movie. So there are show for this movie. We book the ticket. So there are validations for number of seats. That is, the user can only book 5 seats at a time. Now it shows a message that the seats are successfully booked. There is also another validation that the user tries to book movies for the same movie. The user is not allowed to book on, shows that the tickets are already booked. So it is a minor validation. Yeah. So this is what I worked is the individual part for this movie. The data should get entered in the bookings part. So yeah, the data is entered in the bookings table. Also, what I worked on is the testing part. This is the video for the testing part for the admin login, and also for customer registration and sign up. We did testing part, and the messages error. The testing part. I worked on that part also. We for testing we use Cucumber in Java. Yeah, that's all I worked on this project.
Hello. So I'm going to tell which parts I have done in this full project. So myself and Preshly, we were working on the backend part of it, of user story 1, 5, 2, and a little bit of front end also. So in the sprint 3, what I have done is the command part, wherein the signed in user can comment and view the other comments by other users. Only the signed in user, not the guest users. So here is the code for it. Comment part, and I've created a table also for it, reviews table, and HTML page wherein it displays everything. So let's see. So if I click on comment, it should take me to the login page. So it does. So let's log in. It says you're logged in as Shawn Dsouza, and here it is. So now let's give a comment. Say on Tom and Jerry. So we can see the previously viewed edit comments by other users here. And now let me add a comment here. So I click on add comment and say it says comment edit. And now we can view the comments, see it's shown here. It's added by the user. So in the admin part we can check the same, the reviews table. So these are the comments which are there. So this is the latest one which I've added. It comes on top. So here it shows the feedback data, users, and display movie. That's it. And I've also done the full admin panel testing using Cucumber and Selenium. The code is here and the screenshots are here. Mm, yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Good day, miss. So, our project is Book My Movie. So, for the third user space, so the third sprint, I have taken cancel booking user story. So, let's see the practical work of it. So first, I will sign in. So I will sign with a particular user. So as soon as I sign in, I'll get a tab here as my bookings. In this tab, all the bookings made by the particular user will be will be displayed here, and so the movie booked by but that user, he will get to see only what he has booked. So to confirm that, let's check in our database. Yeah. So in the booking tables, we'll get to see all the booking made by all the user. So here are three bookings, two by a particular user and one by the other user. So we have logged using Shaw 2L account. So we should only be able to see Tom and Jerry and Wonder Woman um, movies booking. So here are they. So we can see only those two movies. And the third movie, which is booked by Shazib Khattal, we are not able to see here. So, all this data is fetched from the database, from the booking table, and once the user and if the user wants to cancel this booking, he just have to click on the cancel button, and once he is clicked, he will get a message: booking is successfully cancelled. So the booking is cancelled. So, just to verify, we'll go again in the booking table, and yeah, so only it's showing only one movie. That is Tom and Jerry, Wonder Woman's booking, We had just now cancelled it. So let's check again database and refresh it. Yeah. So the Wonder Woman movie is gone. So the data is updated live here. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Miss.
This is roll number 1919. For the sprint 3, I have worked on search feature. That is, if a user enters the name of the movie, then the details of that movie will be displayed. Even if you enter the category, as in if you enter English or Hindi movies, only English or Hindi movies will be displayed. You can search basis on the date, and even for this feature, you get auto suggestion based on the thing that you have typed in the search box. I have even worked on user story 3 for sprint 3, that is generating reports. So I'll be displaying the data in pie chart, and even other related stuffs will be displayed in this feature. I have worked on the UI and UI of sign in and sign up for this thing, that is user story 5. And me and Satyam, we both have worked on the UI of the homepage and displaying the data from database to the homepage of movies and cards and all. And I'll just show the code of the search and other stuff that I've done for sprint 3. Okay, so this is the search content that whenever you enter the name or anything, language or movie name, it displays over here and redirects to the home page. And this is the autocomplete, that is suggestion that you get. And moving down, so this is the population chart. This will display who is active and not, I mean the user, and this will display the pie chart displaying how many English, Hindi, Tamil movies are there, and even it will display the booking details. So let's go to the here, and if I say enter name S, so movies related to S will be displayed over here. If I say W, Wonder Woman, so it contains Wonder Woman and all. So if I search for this, so Wonder Woman will be displayed. And if I say English, all English movies will be displayed this way. And due to time problem, I couldn't integrate the reports properly. So I'll just show what I have done. So this is the booking details, and this is the pie chart. This displays there are 18 English movies, 1 Tamil, and 3 Hindi movies. Okay, and there is one more feature I wanted to integrate in this, but as I said, because of time, I couldn't integrate. This is the JSON data that is being displayed, who is active and which users active and not. So this I wanted to integrate in that the report thing, but due to time complexity, I couldn't do that. That's all. Thank you.
Hello. So now I'm going to show the full demo of the working on the project. So this is the home page of our project of booking website, Book My Movie, that we have created. And here the user can search for the movies and then book or comment. The book and comment features are available only for registered users, and the search is available for both the users, the guest users plus registered users. So, and this is the admin panel that we have created. So let's log into the admin panel. Here we can check who has booked the tickets, how many tickets, then the registered customers, then the movies which we have added. We can delete them, and the reviews given by customers for each and every movie, and the shows which are there currently showing. So first let's start by adding movies. Let's add a movie. this is Tamil. Was skip this release there. Choose a file, image of the file, and this is if we are movie screening now currently or no, we can untick this and take this accordingly. If it's not screening, we can put this off and it won't allow the user to book the ticket for the movie. So here's it. We'll keep it as screening currently, and it says save. Now the movie is saved here. So let's just check it out by searching for the movie, and here it displays. And the feature we can use like sign up, search. It will search for movies from S. Wherever S is there, suppose you put the full thing. So it shows auto searches and searches for us. So here it shows sign up. So suppose we want to delete the movie. Right. Now we have added a movie called Red and we want to delete it. So we can put it off and say delete. And yes, okay, the movie Red is deleted. So it should not show here once we type Red. So it's not showing anyway. It shows only the other words where R is there or Red is there. So it's not there. So the next feature of the website is like to book ticket or comment, wherein only the registered users can do it. So let's click on book ticket or comment. It should take us to the login page. Just click it, so it takes us to a login page. So first let's sign up. So let's create an account. Suppose I keep it more than 6 characters to show me that the username can be of 6 characters only. Let's check it out. So it shows me that username should be of 6 characters only. And now it should show me that password should be of 8 characters because I've added an extra character here. So it shows me not of 8 characters. It says password does not match because I put a wrong password for the type password. So let me put a correct password. And it should be successfully registered. See, it shows me that your account is successfully created. So let's for suppose log in with the wrong credentials. It says me incorrect username or password. So it doesn't allow any person to log in. So let's create login. And this sign in, logged in as press 1 and it shows you here. And here it shows you the bookings, how many bookings you have. Currently nothing, so it's a blank screen. So let's book a ticket. Number of tickets, say 4. There is a validation here that I can add more than 5 tickets. If I add also manually, it will show me that value must be equal to 5. So maximum 5 tickets. Let book tickets. So ticket successfully booked and it should show me under my bookings tab. Here it is showing me. So I can even cancel the ticket here if I wish so. Let's add another movie accordingly. Book tickets for it. So you book ticket successfully, and here the movies are all shown how many tickets, how many movies you have booked and all. So I want to cancel this ticket because by mistake I must have put. So let's cancel it, and it says booking is successfully cancelled. Let's check it. Yeah, so here you can make out that booking is successfully cancelled. Same can be viewed in the tab here under bookings. How many bookings are there? So another thing about this is, suppose since I've already booked for this ticket, so if I want to book again, say suppose I want to book tickets, it should not allow me, saying that I've already booked for this movie. This is another small minor validation to do that. So says tickets already booked for the show Wonder Woman, so you can't book again. And also once you click on this, you can see the movie and the description of the movie here. You can read about the movie, what it means, and if we refresh the page, the movies get changed. As if suppose now this is there, so it gets changed accordingly. The movies change. Now let's comment on movies. So here currently there are no comments for this movie. Let's see. Here there are some comments. So let's comment for this movie. So it says comment edit, and let's check it out. So here it shows the comment and by whom, by the user. Similarly for all the other movies, for each and every movie it stores. Then we have is, these are all the trending movies which it shows here. Here we can log out from the website. It comes to the basic home page. And these are mostly, we have touched all the user stories, and we have all the sprint 3 covered here. And this is our burn down chart. How many hours we have worked on this. And this is the chart which gets generated on how many movies we have, Tamil, English, how many bookings today, booking this week, in this month. So it shows accordingly. Yeah, that's it. We can log out from here also. Yeah. So that's it. Thank you.